Hello everyone, my name is Wansi and I'm your sales master from Melbourne, Australia. And today I will be introducing you to Atomy. So what is Atomy? Atomy is both a global online shopping mall and also a global distribution hub. As an online shopping mall, Atomy sells daily necessity items which cover a wide variety of categories. You can access this platform 24 hours a day, every day of the year. This gives you the freedom to shop anytime you want, from anywhere you want. Because Atomy sells daily necessity items, our products are always on demand, no matter if the economy is up or down. If you are rich or poor, these items are daily necessities, so absolutely everyone needs to have access to them. Atomy is available through online platforms in 23 countries all over the world. As a distribution hub, Atomy connects manufacturers and suppliers with consumers in an effective way. This is possible because Atomy does not invest in advertising platforms, so it removes the middleman used in traditional sales structures. The products go straight from the manufacturers directly to the consumers. It is a straightforward process. Atomy does not produce any products, but rather works with other companies. One of them is Kolmar Korea, which is the global #1 total service provider in beauty and healthcare in Korea. Kolmar Korea has been established for many years and has helped produce some well-known brands like Lancome, SK2, together with KERI, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, which was established in 1959 and has more than 1,300 researchers actively working and developing different plant and herbal-based products and technologies for cosmetics and healthcare supplements. They formed Kolmar B&H. Kolmar B&H has an exclusive agreement with Atomy, which means that only Atomy can sell their products. Another way in which Atomy sources its products is through their GSGS strategy, which means global sourcing, global sales. Atomy sources some of the best products from all over the world, like for example, avocado oil from Mexico, omega-3 from Alaska, and I-lutein from Japan. By sourcing products that come from all over the world, Atomy offers its consumers the best products from every part of the globe. This strategy is what Atomy calls absolute quality, absolute price. This is aligned with what consumers want: high-quality products at an affordable price. This is something that does not change through time, as consumers will always want the best quality at the best price. This principle is what has made Atomy achieve worldwide success. In Atomy, we call this Mastige, which is a combination of the words mass and prestige. In Atomy, we believe everyone can have access to prestigious products by paying an affordable price. Atomy not only sells great products at an affordable price, but it is also a better alternative to traditional shopping platforms. The business side of things is what adds even more value to our company. When you normally purchase daily necessity products from a supermarket or retailer, you only gain a product. But when you purchase through Atomy's platform, you are also gaining PV, which is point value. This means that later on, if you decide to do the business, you have already obtained an additional value that goes beyond the mere use of the products. Atomy's compensation plan is an opportunity to join a business that can help you achieve success. This is one of the reasons that has made Atomy become so successful since its origins in 2009. When you join Atomy, you immediately gain by having access to absolute quality products at an absolute price. At the same time, by doing the business, you can enter a realm of benefits not seen in other MLM companies. Joining Atomy is free and there are no hidden fees or monthly payments. Atomy has been founded on Christian values and consumer satisfaction as its main objective. The structure of our business, which is a binary system, offers our members the possibility to have unlimited downline. This means that all the PV that is accumulated within your structure belongs to you and is not flushed away as long as you have an active membership. Atomy only requires you to do one purchase every 12 months in order for your membership to remain active. This can be as simple as buying one toothbrush. Once you become a member, with your ID, you can access a global platform. This means that it doesn't matter where your downline comes from. One ID allows you global access, growth, and the use of the system. Because of the quality of our products, our membership registration numbers have seen an exponential growth all over the world, and we are continuously launching new products every month. All of our products are of absolute quality. This is what has made Atomy a trustworthy brand. Atomy's success system, which allows the company to directly run both physical and online seminars, is the driving force behind our success. Regardless of individual ability, Atomy has introduced a global system of success to its members. Once you try our products and you realize how good they are, there are only two alternatives. Keep this to yourself or share it with your family and friends. I am certain you will want to share it with others, as the benefits and results are outstanding. This is how our system works. We do not sell products. We share about them and their benefits, and this is how our global structure grows. When you use Atomy, you become a walking testimony. You become healthy, you start glowing, and people begin to ask you, what is it that you are doing differently? This is how we spread the word about who we are as a company. Word of mouth is the most powerful advertising tool anyone can use, and that is how we do our business. You may ask yourself, am I too young or too old to be involved in Atomy? Do I need to be well educated? The answer is simple. You just need to love the products. That is all it takes to be successful in this business. Once you become a member, you will have access to a website. You will be given an ID and password. This will allow you to buy through the shopping mall, access videos and educational content. There is material about our products as well as presentations that will help you grow your business and understand our philosophy and way of doing things. There are two types of memberships in Atomy. One is a consumer membership, which allows you to purchase our absolute quality, absolute price products. And there is also a business membership. By becoming a business member, you can receive commission and grow within the Atomy structure. The fundamental and most basic principle in Atomy is to use the products. That is all it takes. If you love them and see results for yourself, then all it takes is to share these fantastic products with others. By being focused on customer satisfaction, Atomy not only offers great quality products, but it is also a viable way to make a substantial income. Through our compensation plan, you can gain a benefit that can truly change your lifestyle and help you achieve success. Atomy is a lifetime business, and you can even pass on your membership to your children. Ours is a fair system dedicated to benefit our members. Later on, we will share more information about our compensation plan. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. My name is Wansi, and I'm your sales master from Melbourne, Australia. And I will see you next time. Thank you.